On January 2, that is yesterday, a devastating fire swept through Lower Naharbari village, Block 8, leaving over 1,000 families homeless. The fire destroyed more than 250 households, most of which were thatched structures. The majority of those affected were known Naga settlers, with around 10 Naga families also impacted by the destruction. The fire reportedly broke out at around 11:30 am, though the cause still remains unclear. Altogether, 9 fire tenders from the Central, West and Chumukitima fire stations, along with assistance from the Assam Rifles, were deployed to contain the fire and prevent it from spreading further. While no direct casualties occurred from the fire, a tragic incident took place during the evacuation when a 1-month-old infant lost life in a stampede as residents rushed to flee the flames. The land where the fire occurred is owned by 2 individuals who had leased it to tax-paying settlers. The combined property damage is estimated at around 3 crores. Timely intervention, including the demolition of some structures with JCBs, helped prevent even greater devastation. In the wake of the disaster, several NGOs, civil society organizations, and local individuals provided aids to the affected families, offering both cash and material support. Councillors from the East Dimapur Town Council (EDTC) were also on site assisting the victims, while both landowners offered makeshift shelters and clothing to help those displaced by the fire. The community has come together in the aftermath of the tragedy, with relief efforts continuing to help the victims rebuild their lives. Another fire incident occurred today at Lomati Colony at around 12:30 noon, rendering 11 non-Naga families homeless. Fire officials informed the 2 fire tenders, each from West and Central fire stations, were put in action to douse off the fire, while also adding that no casualties were reported in this incident. The fire officials further suspected the fire to have started while cooking.